Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I will be discussing some of the very important points related to nuclear physics and one of the most important topics of nuclear physics, that's gonna be the quark structure. But not directly we will be talking about the quark structure. We will consider the properties of the quarks, and we will be talking about this thing, that how easily you can do the friendship with the quarks, means you can get familiar with them, you can get to know about their properties and their values. So this session will help you to understand the quarks and their properties in very easy manner and in very less time too. So once you're gonna watch it till the end, you will feel like, oh, the quarks are gonna be like so easy to understand. Even it's very easy to prepare their properties and to know about their different values regarding the like different parameters which we generally need to solve the questions. So we will be starting that discussion, and if you are ready to be the friends with the quarks, so guys, this session will be surely helping you in that. Now let's start the discussion. But before that, if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. And now let's start the discussion. So basically guys, first of all you need to know about one important thing. We are going to have the 6 different type of quarks which we will be considering in this session today, and mainly to work on the questions and to get the answer of the quarks related questions, we need these 6 different type of quarks. Now what are these quarks? So they are basically up, down, strange, charm, 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 okay, top and bottom. Clear? Up is like something positive, done. Down, negative. Strange, this is so strange. Clear? So it's not so common thing, it's strange, done. It's not something you are gonna like too much, but it's strange. While the charm, it's so charming, means you are finding it good, you are saying it in a positive manner, done. Top, positive, bottom, negative. So you can make the pairs of two quarks, up, down, strange, charm, top, bottom, and it will help you to understand the charge on the quarks. Remember, the quarks are going to have the charges either the plus 2 by 3 or minus 1 by 3. Okay, negative value is a smaller one, so minus 1, okay, by 3, and the positive values are plus 2 by 3. So what will be the charges we will have for the different quarks? Up, positive, charm, positive, this is so charming, okay. Top, positive, rest, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. So easy to memorize the charges of the quarks. I hope you all have got it, but we have to keep one thing in mind here, that is plus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. These are the two possible values for the charges of the quarks we are preparing, okay. If we will keep it in mind, everything will look like so easy to us. Second thing, we can write the quark structure of baryons, okay. That means all the quarks which we are going to have are the baryons. So they are going to have their baryon number. These properties, these values we need in the numericals in the questions to know about, like their answer, to solve them. So these values are important. So all the quarks are baryons having the baryon number plus 1 by 3. Okay, so that is a common property, like the common value for all, so we don't even need to differentiate between them. Then only one quark is the strange quark. And what is that? That's the strange quark is gonna have the strangeness number. Okay, only one quark is strange, and that will have the strangeness number which is minus 1. Okay, and rest are gonna have the similar value, that is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now how you can memorize this thing, that rest are gonna have the similar value and only strange quark will have the different value which is minus 1. So guys, if you will stay with so many people, or you will have your good friends, so if you need them, you will have somebody to be, or to be there to help you, okay. But if somebody is alone and they're not gonna have so many friends, so it's something, if they need someone, okay, to do some task, to just complete some of the things they are doing. For example, they are making some project, so they need the help from somebody, but they are not having someone to help, so it's a negative aspect at that time. Done. So that's how -1. Okay, strangeness number -1 only for the strange quark. This is what you have to memorize. Even if you want the hypercharge is simply B plus S, that means baryon number plus strangeness number. Okay, that will be what? That will be giving you the hypercharge. So we don't need to write it separately. We can directly just mention those values if we know about the baryon number and the strangeness number. Okay, all will have the hypercharge 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and this one will have -2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and 1 by 3. Clear? Next thing. If I will be talking about the next important property here, that is the isospin, which we all need to know. What is the isospin of the up quark? So remember, up and down are gonna have the isospin plus 1 by 2. Isospin is not gonna have any sign, okay, but the third component or the Z component of isospin will be having the sign involved in it. So up positive, down negative, and rest 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so this is how we are gonna consider it. Now I hope that the discussion which I have done, if you have watched it till now, you will be getting everything clearly, and once you have got it, in upcoming sessions you will be finding more important discussion regarding the quarks. But till then I want you to revise it. I want you to make the table on your own once after knowing about these values, and that's how you will be more confident about it. Just don't leave it after observing it once in this session. You also need to practice it. You also need to make it on your own, work on it. It will be helping you in your preparation. Done? Now, so guys, let's just keep it this much for today's session, okay, and we will be talking about more and more important things in our upcoming classes regarding the quarks and many other topics of nuclear and elementary particle physics. Also guys, one more thing I would like to share here with all of you, that is related to the offer which is going on for the 6 months Unacademy Plus subscription right now. This is valid till 20th October. So if somebody wants to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators on Unacademy Plus for the upcoming CSIR NET or GATE exam preparation, so guys, in that case you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, and by using and by applying the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen, so you will be getting the 10% discount in the total subscription amount, as well as you will get this offer, that is you will get 1 month free. And that's how guys you can get both the benefits like the discount as well as the offer. Okay, so if you want to grab this offer, because even right now if you will be taking the subscription, you will be able to attend many important courses and the classes by the top educators on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation, which will help you a lot to take your preparation to the next level and to get ready for your upcoming exam very well with full confidence. So this is how guys everything will be helping you a lot in doing the best preparation. And one more thing, that is since every week almost the new batches, the new courses are starting on Unacademy Plus, so even if at this point of time you will be taking the subscription, you will be able to prepare very well under the guidance of top educators, and you will even feel more confident about your preparation in just few days. So this is how all the things will be helping you a lot in doing the best preparation. But whenever you are going to take the subscription, use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen. And guys, by using and by applying this referral code, you will be getting the discount in the total subscription amount. One more thing, that whenever you will be taking the subscription, like what are the steps you have to follow, let's just talk about that too. So first of all, download the Unacademy learning app. Second, you can select your goal, for example CSIR UGC NET. Third, you can select the duration for the like subscription, for how much time you want to take the subscription, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and whatever you will select. After that, you will get a place to write the referral code. Write the referral code there, for example Anjali Arora, like this is the referral code which you have to write, no space in between, spelling should be same, that's how you need to write it and apply it. After using and after applying the referral code, At the same time, you will get the discount in the total subscription amount, and then you can proceed further to take the subscription. So this is how guys you can proceed to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, and you can start your preparation under the guidance of top educators this way. Now guys, one more thing I would like to share here with all of you. So as you will be familiar with this thing, that we also conduct the special classes on the Unacademy learning app. So in this case guys, if you will be joining the special classes, what are the benefits you will get? So we are going to talk about that. The first and the most important benefit I'm going to talk about is the raise hand option, which is a new feature on the learning app, okay, regarding the like in the special classes. So guys, if you will be attending the special classes or even in our plus course classes, we are going to have this raise hand option. And in this raise hand option, what you will be able to do, let's say you are having any doubt in the during the session and you want to ask about it. So by requesting for the raise hand, you can raise hand and you can talk about it. You can say about that doubt, whatever is not clear to you, and that's how you can get your doubt clear. Okay, talk to your educators in live classes and get your doubts resolved in real time. Like in the actual offline classes, we are usually gonna ask the doubts. So same way you can ask about it here with the raise a hand feature, and it's going to be helpful for everyone to make their doubts clear and to ask their doubts in easy way. Next thing guys, these are gonna be very much interactive sessions. The polls are even gonna be there. You will never miss a class if you will click on notify me. And as I've told you about the raise hand option, so it will be even like helping you to get your doubts clear and to just know about the direct point wherever you are going to have doubt. You can ask about it, you can talk about that to the educator. Okay, lecture notes will be available to you in the PDF form. Okay, anytime and anywhere you will be able to join the sessions. So this is how special classes will even be helping you in your preparation. And to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators, to join the well structured and well planned courses by the top educators, you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription too. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for watching it till the end. Thank you.